quick video of my latest listing at 1317 East Big Bear Boulevard. This is the neighborhood, so you can get a little sense of the kind of street that it sits on. I'm going to take you inside and tell you a little bit about the house. There's also flowers planted. This is part of the front yard. Here's parking area. There's a ramp that goes from the front door up to the parking. This is one fenced area. We're entering the house now, and I'll show you the living room from this perspective. Feeds into the kitchen and the dining room. So we're going to see this side of the house first. Whoops. There we go. So this is one of the bedrooms. And this is the bathroom, the main bathroom. And here's the master. This vanity is very original, 1971. And then we've got this bathroom here. This was added on at some point before the current sellers bought the house. All right. And then let me take you and show you the closet. So the closet is very, very spacious. It's a his and hers split. And this closet here, very, very deep. So from this perspective, let me show you the living room again. Wurlitzer organ. That's a pellet stove. And here's the kitchen. So I step back so you can really kind of see it. All the appliances do come with the purchase. Let me take you over and show you the laundry. That always comes in really, really handy. This is the third bedroom. It's currently staged as an office. She has had people use this as a bedroom in the past. So this set is not included with the sale, but it's the only thing that isn't. And this is fully fenced backyard. Shed with power. It's got plugs and lights. The lot is 6,000 square feet. So there's plenty of room, and I'll open the shed to show you what's inside. So as you can see, there's a workbench and there's shelves. All that will be left. The contents won't be, but the structure will. So anyway, I hope that you like the house and you come see it during our open house period. Thank you so much.